Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to disable your scene status on Zangi. In order to disable the scene status in the Zangi private messenger app, launch open the application on your mobile device first and log into your account. From the home page of Zangi, tap on the settings button at the bottom right corner. Inside the settings tab, click on privacy. Now, toggle off the Show Scene Status button from the display and make sure that it is turned into the gray color. Once you toggle off the button, you will be able to disable the scene status or read receipts in the Zangi private messenger application. Disabling scene status means others won't be able to see when you've read their messages and vice versa. If the video was helpful to you, make sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to Tech Basics for more Zangi tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.